Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make metal detector. The materials required for this project are lithium batteries, buzzer, switch are used to this project and a PVC pipe. Take two nuts and connect them to two long wires and tape them neatly. Now insert two nuts into the pipe. Take a bottle cap and keep two holes to that. And now the nuts we use it to insert in the pipe insert to the bottle cap and secure it with a tape. Add the buzzer positive to the resistor and the resistor under terminal to the battery positive. Now the battery negative to the switch and under wire to the wire which we insert to the pipe. Now we will show the circuit diagram. Now our project is completed. Now we are going to check it.